Did you know that pizza was not invented in Italy? That's right, this cheesy, saucy goodness was actually first created in ancient Greece. Hi, it's me, and welcome to my channel. And today we are taking a deep dive into the surprisingly ancient history of pizza. Now, although its origins can be traced back thousands of years, the pizza that we all know and love was developed in Naples, Italy, during the 18th century. But let's start at the very beginning. Ancient Greece is widely believed to be the birthplace of pizza. In the 6th century BC, the philosopher and all-around awesome guy named Pythagoras made a rather intriguing observation. He noticed that the shadows cast by round objects like shields were circular. This led him to conclude that the disc shape was inherently more stable than other shapes, like triangles or squares. This revelation sparked an idea to create a flat, round bread, like we know it today, which was then topped with ingredients like cheese and vegetables. The ancient Greeks called this creation plakos, or plaki, was a staple of their diet, and was often served during religious festivals and special occasions. Plakos was typically made from flour, water, yeast, and olive oil, much like our pizza dough today. It was cooked in olive oil and seasoned with herbs and spices. While the toppings varied, the Greeks commonly used ingredients like onions, garlic, cheese, and fruit. Sounds pretty pizza-ish, doesn't it? As the Roman Empire rose to power, they adopted and adapted many aspects of Greek culture, including their food. The Romans took the Greek pizza and made it their own by introducing new toppings such as eggs and seafood. They also developed the custom of serving pizza by the slice, which allowed for easier sharing among friends and family. Now, fast forward to medieval Italy. During this time, pizza was still popular, but it was typically a street food eaten on the go. It wasn't until the 18th century when pizza really started to take off. Naples was a bustling city with a large population and a thriving economy. Many of the city's residents were poor, and they needed an affordable filling meal. Enter pizza. It was cheap to make and could be served quickly, making it the perfect food for the working class. In 1743, a cookbook called The Art of Pizza Making was published in Naples. This book contained recipes for various types of pizzas, including one for a pizza topped with mozzarella, salami, and other ingredients. Soon, pizzolos or pizza makers became an integral part of Neapolitan culture. They would sell their pizzas from street carts or small shops. The pizzas were typically made in a wood-fired oven and cooked in less than a minute. During this time, a legend was born. The story goes that Queen Margherita of Savoy visited Naples in 1889 and was served a pizza. She was so impressed by the taste and simplicity of the dish that she commissioned a pizza in her honor. This pizza was said to have been topped with mozzarella, salami, and basil to represent the colors of the Italian flag, red, white, and green. While the story of the Queen's visit is likely true, there's no concrete evidence that she ordered a pizza or that the pizza was created to honor her. Regardless, the legend has become an iconic part of pizza lore. By the 20th century, pizza had become a worldwide phenomenon. Italians brought their beloved food to the United States, where it quickly gained popularity. Today, pizza is enjoyed by people of all cultures and backgrounds. It's a versatile dish that can be topped with just about anything you can imagine. From pepperoni to pineapple, the possibilities are endless. So next time you take a bite of your favorite pizza, remember that you're participating in a tradition that dates back thousands of years. Whether you prefer it thick or thin, crispy or chewy, pizza is a delicious reminder of the power of food to bring people together. Thank you for joining me on this cheesy adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun food facts. Till next time, stay cheesy, my friends.